Hey tech enthusiasts! Today, I'm diving into the fascinating world of blockchain technology. Ever wondered what blockchain really is? Let's break it down. At its core, blockchain is a digital ledger. Imagine a book where you record transactions, but instead of paper and ink, it's all digital. Each transaction is a block, and these blocks are linked together to form a chain. Hence, blockchain. So, how does it work? When you make a transaction, it gets recorded in a block. This block is then shared across a network of computers called nodes. Each node verifies the transaction. If the majority agrees it's legit, the block is added to the chain. And voila! The transaction is complete, and the chain gets a new link. Now you might ask, why all the hype? Well, blockchain has some pretty cool advantages. First, it's decentralized. No single entity controls the data, making it transparent and secure. Second, it's immutable. Once a block is added, it can't be altered. This makes fraud nearly impossible. And let's not forget about smart contracts. These are self-executing contracts with the terms directly written into code. They automatically execute when conditions are met, reducing the need for middlemen and speeding up processes. So, why does blockchain matter? It's revolutionizing industries from finance to healthcare. Think of cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin or Ethereum, or supply chains where you can track products from origin to destination with full transparency. Even voting systems could become more secure and trustworthy with blockchain. In short, blockchain is reshaping our digital landscape. It's all about trust, transparency, and efficiency. And we're just scratching the surface of its potential. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech content. See you next time.